Hi. Let's learn about capital goods. Capital goods are tangible assets such as buildings, machinery, and equipment used to produce consumer goods or services. They are durable items and differ from consumer goods and services, which are the end product of production and manufacturing. Capital goods are the tangible assets used to produce products to create finished products. They include common fixed assets such as machinery and manufacturing equipment. However, they also include a wide range of products, from small wire harness assemblies to air purifying respirators and high-resolution digital imaging systems. Consumer goods are the finished products that consumers buy after the production process, such as milk, appliances, and clothes. In contrast, capital goods are not commonly sold to consumers but are used to produce other goods, which are sold to consumers. However, some capital goods can be considered consumer goods, such as airplanes used by airlines and some consumers. Core capital goods are a class of capital goods that excludes aircraft and goods produced for the Defense Department, such as automatic rifles and military uniforms. Capital goods that a business does not consume within a single year of production cannot be entirely deducted as business expenses in the year of their purchase. Instead, they must be depreciated throughout their useful lives, with the business taking partial deductions over time. When businesses invest in capital goods, companies expand and produce additional products or services. In accounting, capital goods are categorized as fixed assets, such as plant, property, and equipment. Capital goods differ from consumer goods, which are the result of production and manufacture using capital goods for the eventual purchase by the end consumer. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Capital goods are physical assets a company uses to produce goods and services for consumers. 2. Capital goods include fixed assets, such as buildings, machinery, equipment, vehicles, and tools. 3. Capital goods differ from consumer goods, which are the end product of production and manufacturing. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.